machine is going to come with this wire. Take this wire like this. Go to the back. You will see this thing. Plug it like this. Sorry, plug it. Now this is where you on the light. This is for the light. This is where you keep the thread. So once you keep the thread here, you take out the thread strand and then you begin to thread it. You put it here first. And once you put it there, you also put it here. You see, I put it from this side. Then you put it into this tension like this. Did you see it? Look at what I did. Like this. Put it into the tension like this. Are you getting me? It have entered here. Then I'm going to put it into this one. Then I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down like this. And then I'm going to put it into my needle. Did you see that? Now see the way the facing. You see the way they face the needle? The eye of the needle now there for outside. The way they put weaving machine needle. That's why they put this one needle. You see the needle. Then I will put the thread for my needle. And then I don't thread and finish. Then I can now begin my sew joining. So when you put your thread finish, if you want to bring out this thing, you just press here. See something there for here. But I go press it now. The thing will come outside. Sam, you know how to do your ruler now. You see, now this is the day they do this ruler. It be Sam. You put her inside like this. Go draw and put inside. Let me see. Like this. Then this one now, go put them back for you. You go push them, you go enter. Then you go start to the two. If you want real thread, start you go take one. Give you this one. This one are my gift. This needle na HA. You don't clean, so I write down for you HA size 16. You fit put 18, you fit put 21. So if you want real thread like this, you go carry am, you go put am here. Shey you get me? You don dey here. Then you go come put am for this hole. You wan put am for this hole like this. Then I go tie small quantity. If I tie am finish, I go put am for here. Then I go use this one hold am. If I dey move this thing like this, e go dey go. First,